So this is a basic tutorial about how to use Xilinx tool. So here I will just create a simple example of two input AND gate, and I will show you how to generate the test bench and simulation file. So here we start. So first, after opening the ISE tool, first go to the files, then we will click to the new project, and once the pop-up window will appear, here we will give the name of the project. So let it be P1. So this is our project name, P1. You can give any name and just click next, and here we can select our device family, like here I have given as Spartan 3E, so you can choose like many, whatever family you want, Vertex 6, Vertex 7, like that, and simply just, and here we will select the preferred language, VHDL or Verilog. So just click next, 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 and finish. Once we will finish here, here the left side, just go here and right click, click on new source, and then Verilog module. Here we will put the module name, so it will be like gate, simple gate. So I will write gate, next, next, finish. So the top module will come. So this is the top module. So we have module gate. So we will give the values input A comma B comma output C, and just we are assign C equal to A and B. Simple. We will save it from here, and then from simulation we will just, here we will just check the behavioral syntax. So behavioral is done. Now in order to write the test bench, just we will click again, right click here on the gate, whichever is the top module. So gate, new source, and then here we will select text fixture. Here we will write anything like so I'm writing test bench, and then we will select the module name here, gate, and finish. So test bench will appear here. We have to do nothing, just we have to initialize the value here. So initial begin equal to 0, b equal to 0. These are the initial conditions. Then I will choose like at 5 time period a equal to 1. Then again after 5 time period a equal to, b equal to 1, and then after again 5 time period I will stop the simulation. So save it from here. Now just test bench, and here simulation, test bench, behavioral syntax, and simulation. Just we do go simulate behavioral model. So when we do go for behavioral model, it will directly check the syntax, and if any error is there, it will show the error. Yeah, simulate behavior model is completed. It will show the wave window. So this one, default .wcfg, click here, and this is the wave window. Just fit it to the screen, and here we will see. So when A0, B0, C0, simple A0, B0, C equal to 1, and here when all the 1, so C is 1. So this is a simple coding for AND gate.